Hello guys, for today Hamster Kombat daily Cipher. So the word for today is called loop, L-O-O-P. So how we get the letter L? So by clicking short, long, short, short. And this is how we get the letter L. Now the letter O, type long, 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 three long. So this is how we got the letter O. Another O is the same, is long tap and long tap and long tap. Now the last letter is P. So we will get the letter P by clicking short, long, long, shorts. And this is how we get the letter P. And you can claim your prize 1 million coin. So thank you for watching this video today.